we start with last topic of first chapter, laws of motion, standard 9, semi English. Now see here, last topic is law of conservation of momentum. Now in last period we see the definition of momentum. What is my momentum? Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Okay, then suppose that an object A having the mass m1 and initial velocity u1, an object B has mass m2 and initial velocity u2. Then according to formula of momentum, momentum is equal to the mass into velocity. The initial momentum of object A is mass m1, velocity initial velocity u1, m1 u1, and initial momentum that of body B, object B, is m2 u2. Suppose that these two objects collide with each other. Let the force on A due to B is F1. When two objects collide with each other, then they apply the force with respect to each other. That is A due to B, B due to A. This force will cause the acceleration in A and velocity will become v1. If we apply force on any object, then its velocity changes. That's why it accelerates, change in velocity per unit time. So the initial velocity of object A, capital A, is u1. It's changed to v1, increased to v1. Therefore, final momentum, that is the momentum of object A after collision, is mass remains constant m1, m1 v1. That is initial momentum is m1 u1 because initial velocity is u1, and after collision its momentum is m1 v1. According to Newton's third law of motion, A also exert an equal and opposite force on B. That's why its again its velocity changes from u2 to v2. Therefore, momentum of object B after collision is m2 v2. Now we know that the momentum of B after collision is m2 v2. F2 is the force that acts on object B, that is opposite to each other. Therefore, F1 is equal to minus F2 is equal to minus F1. Therefore, m1 a1, what is the force equation? Mass into acceleration. Therefore, m2 a2 is equal to minus m1 a1 by force equation F is equal to ma. Now m2 as remains constant, we put the value of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity per unit time. Therefore, velocity of second object B changes from v2 to u2, v2 minus u2 in time interval t. Therefore, m2 a2 we write here m2 into v2 minus u1 u2 upon t is equal to minus m1. Again a1 is nothing but acceleration in body object A, that is v1 minus u1 upon t. Now tt both sides, therefore t is cancelled. Therefore left side m2 in bracket v2 minus u2 is equal to minus m1 in bracket v1 minus u1. If we solve the bracket, m2 v2 minus m2 u2 is equal to minus m1 v1, minus minus get plus m1 u1. So minus get on right side, therefore m2 v2 plus m1 v1. v1 that is the final in left side, and initial final momentums are in left side and initial momentum in right side, is equal to m1 u1 plus minus of the left को minus था m2 v2 is in right m2 u2. Therefore, the magnitude of total final momentum is equal to the magnitude of total initial momentum. That's why we prove here the law of conservation of momentum. We stated that when no external force act on two intersecting objects, their total momentum remains constant, it does not change. That is, when two objects are collide, the total momentum before collision is equals to the total momentum after collision. This is known as the इक्वेशन ऑफ द लॉ ऑफ कॉन्झर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. तर 4 मार्कासाठी हा लॉ येतो. हे सर्व जैसे थे लिहून टाकायचं आहे, ग्रुपवर टाकायचं आहे. वेन टू ऑब्जेक्ट कोलाइड विच अदर द टोटल मोमेंटम बिफोर कोलिजन इज इक्वल्स टू द टोटल मोमेंटम आफ्टर कोलिजन. आणि सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल पण लिहायचं आहे. हा लेसन आज संपला आहे, याचा स्वाध्यायही लिहून टाकायचा आहे गृहपाठाच्या वहीमध्ये. बघा, द मास ऑफ कॅनॉन, कॅनॉन म्हणजे तोप, इज 500 kg and it recoil with the speed 0.25 meter per second. What is the momentum of cannon? Mass of cannon is 500 kg. Its velocity 0.25 meter per second. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. That is 500 kg is mass of cannon into 0.25. That is 125 kg meter per second. Kg meter per second is the SI unit of momentum. Okay. Second is two ball of mass 50 gram and 100 gram, and they are moving along the same line in same direction with velocity 3 meter per second square. 50 gram वालेची velocity 3 meter per second आहे आणि 100 gram ची 1.5 meter per second. That is momentum of first ball is 15 to 3, that is 150. Momentum of second ball is 150. Okay, again see here, given quantity, the mass of first ball m1 50 gram, it convert into kg 0.05 kg. ग्रॅमचं के जीमध्ये कन्वर्शनला 1000ने डिवाइड केलं त्याने 0.05 kg. मास ऑफ सेकंड बॉल इज m1 इज 100 ग्रॅम, दॅट्स वाय 1000ने डिवाइड केलं तर 0.1 kg. Velocity of first ball u1 3 meter per second. Velocity of second ball u2 1.5 meter per second. Final velocity v1 2.5 meter per second after collision. Final velocity of second ball v2 is, we want to find it. Now we know the equation according to law of conservation of momentum. Momentum before collision equals to momentum after collision. That's why before collision m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Put the value m1 mass of first ball, that is 0.05 kg into 3 is the initial velocity, plus 0.1 into velocity 1.5. Similarly, final momentum, put the value we want to find v2 is equal to 1.75 meter per second. तर हे एक्झाम्पल पण तुम्ही लिहून टाकायचं आहे. या लेसनचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर लिहायचे. हा लेसन झालेला आहे. उद्या आपण 5 सेकंडचा लेसन घेणार आहोत. ओके, थँक्यू. आणि वह्या सर्वांनी करायच्या आहे आणि सर्वांनी रोजचं रोज लिहिलं तरच तुमच्या जीवावर जाणार नाही. सेतू अभ्यासक्रमाचाही अभ्यास याच्याबरोबर दिला जात आहे. तोही अभ्यास प्रत्येकाने वहीमध्ये ठेवायचा आहे. शाळा जबाबदार राहणार नाही. रोजचा अभ्यास रोज सुरू आहे. प्रत्येकाने नियमित करायचा आहे. आपल्या मित्रांनाही सांगायचं आहे.